Good morning, Internet fam. It is Wednesday, May 30th today. And as I expected, there was a slight market retraction looking at the charts this morning. So let's get right into it, shall we? Let's go ahead and take a look at Bitcoin today. Bitcoin did go down 2% today, back down to 7,300. So that did precipitate a market crash for all the coins as usual. Let's see what Bitcoin's looking at on the monthly chart here. So it looks like Bitcoin has been retracing pretty steadily for most of this month here. It's kind of a surprise, really. Wasn't expecting this much retracement right now. I do expect things to pop up a little bit in June. That's just traditionally in the crypto market. Things do tend to go up a little bit in June. So I'm expecting that to happen this year as well. Bitcoin dominance is down to 39.2%. That's pretty good big news for us. It means the rest of the cryptos are starting to be worth something a little bit more. Market cap back down to 317 billion. Again, less than a third of the price of the Apple Corporation. I absolutely refuse to support anyway. But again, not quite reaching the 312 billion market cap that we saw at the dip on Monday, which was a holiday at the end of the month. So I would expect, I don't expect it to get back down to 312. That was just pretty dang low. So, and as you can see, the whole market is also down about 2%. I mean, when you see Bitcoin go down 2%, you know, then you see everything else go down, you know, in that range. You know, Ethereum's down 3%. These trash coins are down 1%, 3%, 1%, 4%. Litecoin's not a trash coin. Litecoin's a good coin. Very good price on Litecoin today. So if you're thinking about getting a Litecoin today, would be a very good day for that. Cardano, Stellar, I mean, pretty much everything down just a little bit. Everything following Bitcoin. So not any real giant breakouts here that I'm seeing up or down in any exciting way. I guess we can look down and see if Golem's up 8%. That's interesting. Golem's up to almost 60% now. Golem is a legitimate team and a legitimate coin, so I'm not surprised to see it succeeding, although this is definitely doing better than the rest of the market if you follow that line. See Bitcoin private, blah, blah, blah. A lot of these are down 5%, so there are some buy opportunities today, but who cares about that? That's grandma's coins, right? This graph is no longer working, but I believe that it is still accurate, and this is still what it's looking like, probably. There are 163,000 MasterNodes online right now, or listed on masternodes.online. There's actually many more than that out there in the wild. So that means there's $1.9 billion worth of masternodes online listed on the masternodes online website. So pretty interesting. Dash dominance is again at the all-time low. I think 64.25 is even lower than it was yesterday, and therefore the lowest I've seen yet. So that is also good news for the market. But those graphs aren't working, so let's get out of those. In the MasterNode market, there have been some big downs, big ups. Smart Cash is down a bit today, so if you're putting off on buying a Smart Cash MasterNode, today might be the day for that. Few ups today in the MasterNode market. Innova down another 6%, and that's just crazy. Their team just released a new. They're going to be building an exchange as well as everything else they've got going on. So the fact that Innova is down another 6% on that relatively good news might mean today is a very good day to buy Innova, in my opinion. That's a pretty solid project and everything. So Paulus down 5% today, down under 5,000 for MasterNode of Paulus. So that might be a good buy today. Let's go take a look at that and talk about that one a little bit today. Shekel down another 3%. Maybe worth looking into. Magnet down 5%. Pure down another 9%. I'm not sure why Pure is just dropping through the floor. QBIC down 11%. That's probably another good buy opportunity today. Vivo up 11%. Rupaya up 73%. up over $1,000 for rhY'z MasterNode. So that team is on fire. We're gonna have to look at that and see what's going on in that world. Gossip Coin down 76%. Crowd Coin down 58%. Crave down 10%. So it might be a good day to buy Crave. We'll take a look at that one in a minute. Galactrum down 7%. Might be a good day to get some Galactrum. Pura down 10%. Yeah, so there's definitely some buy opportunities out here in the market today. Let's take a look at Pura Coin. We haven't looked at that too much because the MasterNode costs too much. Well, and look at the ROI too. It's only 3%. Yeah, I don't know if we're that interested in Pura. I'll go ahead and close that. Sorry, Pura. All right, so Polis. Polis is a coin we haven't talked about too much. It is a 194% ROI coin. It has been around for 160 days. They've got quite a team working on a lot of stuff. They are on quite a few exchanges. So this is the kind of healthy exchange list we like to see for a MasterNode coin. So it might be worth thinking about just for that reason alone. It is down 5%, so that means today is a buy opportunity for this coin. A MasterNode is $4,500, $45.81 for a MasterNode of Polis coin. And right now that coin will pay you $24 a day, $170 a week, $732 a month, and almost $9,000 a year. And if you look at the chart, you know, again, everything's really low right now, so we can kind of assume that it should probably be somewhere around this level, and that level is looking like $7.85, right around the $8 level, and it's currently at the $5 level. So you could very easily 2x on this coin as the market starts to recover. And then, of course, if it was $8 a coin instead of $25 a day, you'd be making $40 a day. So, you know, I don't know. We're thinking about Polis coin. Pure coin down again today. Not sure why Pure is dropping so hard. If anybody knows anything about that, please let me know. I haven't seen any reason for this coin to be dropping as much as it is, and yet it is at all-time lows. Unsustainable all-time lows, in my opinion. 47-second block time. This is one of the faster coins out there. It's been out for 258 days. It isn't on enough exchanges. Now, I will give you that Pure Coin needs to be on more exchanges to get the premium recommendation that I give most of these other MasterNode coins. But, you know, almost 200% ROI, and right now MasterNode's $13.78, and that pays you $7 a day, $50 a week, $200 a month, and almost $2,500 yearly. So, probably another good buy opportunity for Pure Coin today. This might be the best buy opportunity for Pure Coin I've seen yet. I mean, the fact that it's down 9% on a day when the rest of the market's only down 2% seems a little crazy, especially when it was already much lower than it's been. So we're going from all-time lows to more increased all-time lows. It's just kind of wild. QBIC down almost 12% today. Again, not on as many exchanges as I'd like to see. It seems like it's mostly on the decentralized exchanges. It is 187% ROI coin. It has been around for 138 days, 2-minute block time. A MasterNode right now is $278.77, and for that you get $1.50 a day, $10 a week, just under 50 a month, and 520 a year. So again, good buy opportunity for QBIC today. rhY'z coin, this had a huge gain today, 74% gain. So I'm not sure what's going on with that team or what they're announcing on the Discord. This is a 275% ROI coin. Right now, rhY'z MasterNode is $1,100. It's a relatively new coin. It's only been out 107 days. It does have a 1-minute block time. It does look like the price should be around, let's see, what is that? Maybe 11 cents. And currently it is, well, 11 cents. So price is pretty much where it should be, I guess. Yeah, 64.21% dash dominance. That is just great news for the market. I want to see that continue to drop. Yeah, so anyway, rhY'z, I don't know. This does not look like a buy opportunity to me. It looks like it might be a sell opportunity. Unsustainable high today for rhY'z, unless there's some crazy news I don't know about. So if you know anything about that, let me know. I'd be interested in talking about that. Crave down a pinch today, 8%. Crave is a very legitimate coin and team. 57% ROI coin. Crave MasterNode is $1,100. And for that $1,100, you'll be making $1.75 a day, $13 a week, $52 a month, and $639 a year. So Crave is on a lot of the exchanges that we like to see it on. They've got a pretty solid plan for integrating into the gaming community and stuff. And overall, this coin has done most of the right moves, in my opinion. So might be worth looking at Crave coin today. That's pretty much it for today. I'm going to keep it short. We've got a lot going on today. I do think there's a few more buy opportunities out there. Again, definitely Purecoin looks promising. But other than that, the market is pretty much doing exactly what I expected. I expected a slight retraction after the big gains yesterday, and now I'm expecting slow gains for the next month, for the next 6 months. Honestly, I'm expecting slow gains. Look for 1 to 2% gains on average. Now it's the crypto market, so it's going to go all over the place. But on average, I'm expecting slow, steady 1 to 2% gains if you averaged all the ups and downs out for the rest of the year. So definitely a good time to get in. Monday was obviously the best time to get in, but if you didn't get in on Monday, go ahead and get in today. That's it for today, fam. I hope you're having a great end of May, and looking forward to rocking it in June. And as usual, keep on noding.